Yes, sir. You already know this your boy B Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and get right into it. You already know I don't like to waste nobody's time. Today, I'm going to be in y'all with a SNDL stock price prediction. Sundial Growers. If you late to the party, if you just joining, it ain't too late yet. My stock prediction on this stock is through the roof. But hear me out. You always want to get in at the best price possible. So we wait on our dip buys. A dip buy is when the stock panics, when it tanks. So many people is anticipating on Sundial Growers to go to 2+, 3+ very soon. So with so many people anticipating on that, so many investors already think the price is priced in, that is for surely is staying above about $1, not going under. I done seen a lot of predictions where they saying they don't think it will fall under $1.10. I've been watching SNDL all 2020 when Robinhood sent me a what you call it, like a reminder of all I've been doing on the app for that whole year. They said Sundial Growers, SNDL, I reviewed that stock 13,000 times. And I would have been invested, I would have had 10K invested once it was at 50 cents. But I was switching all my money from Robinhood to Webull because Webull, we can get into the pre-market. The description, the link will be in the description below. Webull, you get in the pre-market at 4 a.m. in the morning. Robinhood, you get in the pre-market at 9 a.m. So it'll be a lot of opportunity going on in that 5-hour time frame that we be missing that could possibly, benefit us. So that's why I had to transfer my money from Robinhood to Webull, and it wasn't there in time enough, right in the mix of all GM, GameStop, and that's when the craziest week of stock market history. I was in the middle of transferring my funds, and I wasn't able to take advantage of it like I wanted to. I still made money, a few grand, but we could have made a whole lot more if everything would have been in the right position at the right time. But anyways, let's go ahead and carry on. So let's look at the chart. Let's go ahead and look at the chart. SNDL, Sundial Growers. Okay, yesterday morning, it opened up at about $1.29. Then it plummeted to $1.10, and it regained itself to $1.23. Then all day it traded sideways. We call that consolidation. That's what consolidation is, when it just stay above these price ranges. $1.17, $1.18, $1.17, $1.18 is consolidating. So right when it's consolidating, it could either about to take off up or take off down hard. So anyways, go back a week, 72 cents a share. It got up 88, got up to $1.22. It dipped, went up to $1.30. So $1.30, that's our breakout. That's our breakout point. A month ago, trading at 54 cents, where I supposed to be in that holding. Because I had already knew this. I've been calling SNDL for a long time. So anyways, it was at 56 cents. 3 months ago, you had the opportunity to buy at 25 cents, 24 cents. Wow. A year ago, go back a year ago, $1.10, $1.10 mark. Once it break that $1.10, it can shoot off to $1.65, 45. And then from 2019, we can get these prices once we get to 2. We can get to 4, 5, 6, 7. We could go through the roof with this one, you guys. But the thing I want to get y'all to look at is, I've been watching this stock a long time, and stocks will change their behavior. The whole time in 2020, it was doing this same pattern. Like, it'll go up, it'll spike hard up to 80 cents and drop down to 50 cents. Spike hard to 80, drop down to 50. And so with that being said, I just want y'all to be safe. Get you some skin in the game. Buy a few shares if you can afford it. This is not financial advice. I'm just sharing y'all my opinion, what stocks I'm in, and how to make a few dollars here and there. But do your own research and due diligence. So I would scale in. If I wasn't in this play yet, I would start a position on a dip. And I highly feel like this will fall below $1 before it rips to the next level. A lot of people, I seen all the predictions, say they don't think it's going back under $1. But for how many times I've been watching this stock, I highly think it will fall below $1 before it rips out to the next level. And I'm anticipating on at least 80 cents, 80 cents a share. And I might be lucky if I can get it for even lower, in the 70s. Yeah, it sounds insane, but I really highly anticipating on this happening. But you don't want to miss the opportunity just in case it don't. You always want to be prepared. So just in case it don't pull back to the 80s or 85 or 90 cent like I'm expecting, if you got a little starter position, you might not have your full position, but you will have a few shares to enjoy the ride up and still make profit. You get what I'm saying? So size in correctly. Get you a starter position. And if it pulls back, you build to that position, because this is going to be a growth stock. They is debt free. It's a debt free company. It's a penny stock and they're debt free. They don't have any debt and they profitable. They're making money. So, and they raised so much money on their first offering. They've been talking about another offering. They might raise so much more. So you already know. That's my prediction on SNDL, Sundial Growers. You already know this your boy B. Hayes. If you like these type of predictions, these type of updates, don't forget to give your boy a like, a comment, and consider subscribing. Don't join the family unless you want to. You already know how we do. It's your boy B. Hayes, and we out.